Hey, thanks for stopping by. I want to show you something. The other day I worked on my 2009 Chevy Avalanche, had a starter issue. All I did was disconnected the battery, and the symptoms after I was done was the driver's side air conditioning had stopped working, blowing out complete 100% as hot as heat you can possibly imagine. Passenger side, working great. I'm kind to find out on these particular vehicles, most General Motors, early 2000 and up, so this applies to all of them, not just the old Avalanche here, that the HVAC system loses calibration. What's that mean? Well, if you touch the battery, replace any heater control component like an actuator or anything, it potentially loses calibration. Well, it's actually a really simple procedure to reset that. No scan tool, no money, probably less than 2 minutes total of your time. So I would definitely try this first before taking someplace to get it fixed. Like I said, doesn't cost you a thing. Let me show you how to do this. I'll show you here on the inside, just for grins and giggles. This particular truck has a dual climate control, but I understand a lot of any of the electronic actuators, this could apply to all of them. So again, like I said, it doesn't cost you a thing to try it, but when you turn it on, it says 60 auto, this is normal. But what happened was the vents on the driver's side, 100% heat, passenger side, ice cold air was sitting this direction. Like I said, what happens is it loses calibration. So let me show you how this is done, what it looks like. Under the hood, of course, key off or key out, off, get under the hood, and get to the HVAC heater, ventilation, AC system fuse that says battery. Not the ignition one, but the battery one, which is the constant power. On this truck, there's a fuse panel on the driver's side. Well, I said you scroll through all these, then you get down here to 39. It says HVAC battery, fuse number 39. Well, it shows it here in the location. And it's the old 10 amp fuse here. Remove that fuse. If I can get my hands in here, of course. All you gotta do is take that fuse out for 10 seconds. So, count to 10, I don't know, do a backflip, jumping jacks, I don't know, but basically 10 seconds, leave that fuse out. And what that does, it wipes the memory of, I guess, the HVAC ECM inside the dash. So once you've done that, wait 10 seconds, put the fuse back in, put the cover back on, go back inside the vehicle, and all you have to do then is just turn the key on. Now the display is going to read something different. You originally said 60 degrees max auto. Well, it says 74, 74. Here's the most important part of this. Listen carefully. Do not touch any of the buttons on the HVAC system for up to 40 seconds is what it says, but I'd probably wait a minute. So after a minute's time, go ahead then, just turn the key off, turn it back on. That should recalibrate your system. So it really is just that simple to go ahead and recalibrate. It actually says you can do with a Tech 2 scanner, spend some money, but even sometimes the Tech 2 scanner doesn't work. This works every time that I've tried it. So I wanted to share with you, like I said, something you can try for free before taking it someplace to get it repaired, especially if you've just only disconnected the battery and you've lost air conditioning. Try this first. I will say it most likely will fix it. And again, only cost you a couple minutes of your time. I want to share this tip with you. Hope to maybe save you some headaches and some time. And if you'd like to see some more videos like this, please subscribe. I do just about anything automotive, as far as even high-end restoration, simple little tasks like this, diagnosing problems. So if you want videos like that or how-to videos, please subscribe. And of course, if there's something you'd like to see, let me know in the messages. And if this tip helped you out or you like this tip, let me know and I'll keep making more just like this. So I'm gonna get out of here, get back inside and get on to the next project. So we'll see you next time.